there's a lima bean on my desk, but it's just a smooth rock. Hi guys, I'm back after another extended hiatus. I've gotten really bad about those now. But today I'm just gonna do like a relaxing makeup look thing, whatever, you know. Because I've noticed that when I don't do my makeup, I don't wash my face like I should. Which is not good. I'm looking a little red and splotchy. But yeah, life update. I've decided to go back to school. And I actually started classes last Monday. The first week was online. I'm so excited. But I am ooh. I am going to school for cosmetology. Surprise, surprise. My hair's been quite a few different colors since you've last seen me. Yeah. Not even sorry, but I'm gonna go ahead and get into it. So I will actually wash my face tonight. I already have on my moisturizer and primer. I'm gonna put in the jams. But no, can we talk about how cute this is? I got it from American Eagle on clearance. It was like $5. And look at this, I'm sorry. I'm gonna calm down now. Like, I'm so proud of myself. Like, aside from spending 2 days dyeing it back to blonde because it was, you know, brown. Like a warm brown, too. And that orange was hard to get out. But yeah, I forgot to put on lipstick earlier, as usual. But yeah, I hope you had fun watching this. Oh, by the way, I have uploaded a bunch of stuff to Poshmark, so I'm gonna put the link in the description below. Is that? I thought there was a lima bean on my desk, but it's just a smooth rock. But anyways, I'm gonna put my Poshmark link down below. Go check it out. See you later.